Top 5 Best Hiking Poles. Best hiking poles for tough terrain. Link in the description box. The 5 best hiking poles. Designed to shift some of the work from your legs to your arms while hiking, a good pair of trekking poles can reduce fatigue and minimize joint soreness over short and long treks. Even if you're just walking around the park for a few hours, a pair of these resilient and lightweight options can help keep your back and joints comfortable without adding much bulk to your gear. When users buy our independently chosen editorial selections, we may earn commissions to help fund the reviewed parks. Number 1. Cascade Mountain Tech Trekking Poles.
Cascade Mountain Tech carbon fiber trekking poles are comprised of 100% carbon fiber on all 3 pole sections, making them ultra lightweight and easy to wield on all sorts of treks. Each pole features a quick flip lock for easy height adjustments and is offered with either EVA foam or cork grip handles with padded adjustable wrist straps. Each pole weighs only 7.8 ounces and adjusts from 26 inches collapsed to 54 inches fully extended. All of our quick lock poles also include an extended lower EVA foam grip, offering another comfortable hold point meant for going uphill. Our carbon fiber poles have a durable tungsten carbide tip and come with a bonus 5-piece accessories kit, which includes rubber tip covers, rubber boot covers, snow baskets, mud baskets, and a pole clip. Once you are ready to hike, be sure to set your poles to their ideal height and lock the quick locks into place. To lock the quick locks, simply turn the thumb screw until it is somewhat difficult to close, but still able to clamp down. If you put weight on the pole and the top portion slips, you need to tighten your thumb screw even more. When you're finished using your poles, collapse them to the shortest height, tighten and clamp down your quick lock once more so it is securely in place.
Number 2. Trail Buddy Trekking Poles. Crazy Sail. Number 3. Equipeak Folding Trekking Poles. MSR Dynalock Ascent Foldable. Crazy Sail.
The steeps, the ridgelines, the exposure. This is your terrain. The MSR Dynalock Ascent poles were engineered to keep you moving fast and light through it all. Built of Kevlar reinforced carbon fiber, they deliver the ultralight strength needed to climb peaks or tackle multi-day traverses. Their quick deploy design saves time so you can stay focused on the objective. And their ultralight compact size stashes easily inside alpine packs, adding little weight. These ultralight poles come equipped with our proprietary Dynalock mechanism for 20 centimeters of adjustability and easy, rock-solid blocking. Tool-free tensioning ensures a powerful clamping force for total security and confidence. To maximize comfort all year, we gave these poles premium EVA foam grips with a lower grip that's perfect while side hilling. Unique snow baskets engage MSR televators for greater stability on the steeps, and the carbide steel tip delivers lasting durability on rock and ice. Engineered for maximum efficiency and reliable strength, MSR Dynalock Ascent Poles keep snowshoers, mountaineers, and winter explorers moving quickly on mountain objectives.